Chalo, now it's time to unbox. Wow. So here we have. Okay, so now let me take this thing out. And I don't know how to open it. So first इसको यहाँ रख देते हैं. And then let's see what else we have. So okay, I'll put it back here. Now what else we have in the box? Okay, some documents. Okay, now this is the okay. Remote and place it here. Let's see कुछ और भी है क्या? No, that's all. So everything is here. We can put it back here. So now let me go back to this again. So DJI Mini 4K and this camera and gimbal. Very nice. Okay. And okay.
Yes.
Yes. Oh. Ash. So now this is the smallest, one of the smallest drone we have. 249 gram ultra light. Okay. So finally it is here, along with this remote.